Hey guys, good morning. Stock market today is quite positive on our account, which we've been managing this account for the past 9 months or so, almost a year here. We started off this account and we've been managing it across the time and showing you guys pretty much on a weekly basis. We've been doing a lot of Spanish videos, but I've been wanting to do more and more English videos to get spread these videos out there faster. I just want to run down our account, what it's up to today. It's up 3%. It's approximately $1,692. For the past week, it's up 2.49%. Last month, it's been up almost 20%, 17.6%. The past 3 months, it's been up 21%. So over 20% return on your investment. Almost close to $10,000 within the last 3 months, I'm sorry. And within the last year, which we haven't been a year, but it's almost 30%. It's a 12,000 gain. Okay. Now these numbers fluctuate, as you see on the screen. They go up and down. It's just how is the stock market doing. In this video, I want to cover something very important. I want to show you guys how to make money and the type of trades, the type of investments that I'm in with gold and silver. So I want to show you guys how to make money with those two. What are the benefits of investing, and when and how to invest in gold and silver. So as you know, we're in a time right now where there was a stimulus not too long ago, and our government is talking, or the feds are talking about ramping up a new stimulus as well. So with that, whenever there's a creation of money, creation, there's tends to be more inflation in our economy. So therefore, you can use gold and silver as a hedge against that. Some of the stocks that I put my money in, and remember, guys, this is just what I do. This is something you can also do if you like, but this is just my personal opinion. This is not financial information. It's just my opinion of what I'm doing in the stock market, and if you wish to do the same thing, you can do so. But I'm just letting you know up front. So one of the main ones that I like to invest in, which I haven't invested lately, but it's getting close to that point, is this one right here. Its ticker symbol is SLV, so you can look that up, SLV. Right now it's currently trading at 22.21, but I want to show you why and when I look to invest my money in this particular stock. So if you look on here at the bottom here, it'll give you a 1 day, a 1 week, a 1 month, a 3 month, a 1 year, and a 5 year, and it's basically telling you what this stock has been doing within that time. So if I go to the one week, I can see that it started off here right around November 13th at 22.89, and since then it's been falling, and currently we're at 22.22. So pretty much like about $1. I think I would say it's been falling. But let's go to a month now. Let's go to a month. And then at the month, you could see that it started off here at 23.04. It dipped all the way down to 21.49, which was a great opportunity, which at that point, I did pick up shares. And I did sell off right around here somewhere, 23.61, right around here. I've been following this silver stock for quite some time, so I kind of get the feeling for it in terms of when to buy, when is a good time to buy. I would suggest buying this stock, the silver stock, anywhere between 21.50 all the way up to $22. If you go here, we're currently at 22.22, so it's getting close. It's not there yet, but it's getting awfully close. Let's go to the 3 month here, and I want to show you here. I'm going to show you its peak here back in September. It went all the way up to 26.54. These stocks tend to go back to its all-time high or its high points, as well as they tend to go back to its low points, as you see here. Currently, its low point was at 20.83, right? So it's currently trying to head back to that. if you see at this graph, you see how the downturn, it's been coming down, it goes up, and then it comes back down, and then it's been, right now it's currently heading back down. Okay, so I'm looking to buy this stock here anywhere between $21.50 to $22 max. At that point, I can pretty much assure myself, which nothing's an assurance in the stock market, but I can pretty much assure that with the creation, with the next stimulus that's going to happen at sometime either this year or next year, you can pretty much guarantee yourself that this stock will rise again. Okay, let's go back to a 1 year, and if you see here in March when the whole pandemic started, it went to an all-time low of 11.21, and then it went to a high of about 26.19. Okay, so we're at a good spot right here. I'm waiting for it to downturn just a little bit more, but it's a good investment, silver. It's very underappreciated right now, so it would be a good time, even at these prices, 22. I suggest, if you're interested in investing in some type of metal, silver would be a very good one. Another very good one that I'm currently invested in, there's two of them. Actually, there's three of them. I'm invested in BTG. BTG, B2 Gold, is ticker symbol is BTG. You see it right here. That is currently trading at 568. I do have, you can see here, I do have 700 shares of stock in that stock there, for approximate market value of 3,971. This right here is your average cost. This is what it's cost me to this point. I've been buying this stock because it's fairly cheap, and I want to make something clear. This is not a gold stock. This is a gold miner stock. So this is pretty much a stock that that pretends to be from a miner. So in other words, the people that mine the gold, this is what this stock is. It doesn't follow gold itself. It's the miners. So whenever the price of, basically this is based on the price of gold. So whenever the price of gold goes up, this stock will go up, and whenever it goes down, this stock will go down. So lately it's been going down. I started buying this right around 6.15. Since then it's gone down. But I want to let you look at the charts. Something very important with any stock that you do invest in, it's called dollar cost averaging. So what that means in a sense is you have to be able to pick a position, start your position at some point somewhere. Once you start your position, you don't want to invest all your money at the same time. You want to invest portions. Because why? Because then this happens. The price can go down. So if I had invested all my money at I think I started buying at 6.15 or 6 something. If I had invested all my money there, then I would be stuck, because now I would have no more money to invest now, 568, right? So you always want to invest some portion of your money at some time, and then come back to it in case it drops down. You could invest some more. So I'll give you an idea. If you have $500, you can start off by investing $100. You let those $100 start working for you, and then after, if the price goes down a little bit, I go ahead and invest some more. Invest another 100 and get that price, get this price, your average cost, get that number down. So right now, if you see the number, it's currently at 568, and my average cost is 605. So if this stock continues to go down, I'll continue to buy to get this number down. Therefore, once the market turns on gold, then it starts going up, then I can sell this stock. And it'll be a lot easier because I'll get this number, the average, I'll get it down to 585. Once this turns and it goes up, then I could turn around and make a profit a lot easier. I am planning to hold this stock for a bit, just because I'm waiting for the next stimulus. But I will sell if it goes up. Let's look at the 1 week chart here. 1 week chart is 609. It's currently, you're currently at a huge discount. This price right here, I haven't seen this price. And I'll tell you, if you are investing, look at this stock here, because not only will it pay you on your gains or whatever it does go up with, but it does provide a small dividend, and I'll show you here. There is a small dividend to this stock. Where would it be here? Dividend yield. It's a 1.34% dividend yield. So it does have a small dividend. A dividend, in case you don't know, is it's basically like a small interest, kind of like a bank account. They pay you for holding their stock, and that gets paid out quarterly, so every 3 months. But I want you guys to look at something very important here. You got a 3-month chart here, okay? And I want to go to the lows here. The lows here was at 608, right around there, okay? So right now, if you go to that low here, this low, back in August, 612, and you go to this low, you go to 616, so it's right around. So right now, it's a very good time to buy this stock. It's way below the low, 568. If I want to go to a 1-year chart, then I can go all the way back here. And this was back in March when the whole market took a dip. So everything was down there. But if you want to go a little bit higher, maybe April, you're going to 450. It's a very good time to buy this stock. It's going to come back. Look at these highs: 696, 704, 704. So look for it to head back definitely to 704 at some time, especially with this money printing that's gonna happen. This is eventually gonna go back up. I suggest a good time to buy right now. You have a lot of a lot of space here in order to get back to here. So even if it gets back to above 6, I mean, just think about it. Above 620, and you bought it at 567. I mean, you're making about 50 cents a share, 60 cents a share. You buy 100 shares, that's $50 in your pocket. Okay? That's a very good one. So that's one silver, one gold. Another one that I just got into that also pays a small dividend, and this will be the last one I cover, is ticker symbol gold, GOLD, Barrick's Gold. Okay, very cheap right now. My average cost is $25.18. I started my position at about $25.20. It's currently at $24.17. Now remember, gold has taken a big hit these last couple of days, okay? But just like how it takes a big hit, it can come right back. The one-day chart shows you that it started here at $24.16. It's pretty much coming back to the low of the day. I want to show you something. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. You start here at $26.10 in 1 week, and it's dropped down almost $2. So you're saving $2 a share. On a month, look at this, $27.12. It's dropped down $3. But let's go to the 3-month. 3-month, you're at $29.54. It's dropped down all the way to $24.16. Almost a $5 discount on this stock. Not too long ago, November 5th, it was at $29.33. So just think about the turnaround. What can happen if this stock starts heading upward, and you're buying it here. Even if it goes back to this level here, forget about highs. Go back to this level, 27. You're making yourself $3 a pop on every share. You buy 10 shares, that's $30 in your pocket. So it just depends. My current position is $25.18. I currently have 75 shares. I'm looking to buy more. I'm holding off just a tad bit right now because I don't want to keep buying every little dip. I want to kind of let it bottom a little bit more. I think as the dollar goes up, the gold will continue to go down. So I think today, tomorrow, probably tomorrow would be a better time to buy. But you can't lose on this gold and silver. It's going to come back up. So with that, guys, I hope I've showed you a way to make money or better decisions in making money with gold and silver in the stock market. Remember that all these stocks are in rotation. So sometimes they're up, sometimes they're down. Sometimes tech is up, sometimes industrials is down. So they all switch out. Sometimes gold is up, but right now gold is down, and it's a perfect opportunity for you to buy and make money in the stock market. With that, I'll let you guys go. If you found this information somewhat helpful, please leave a like and please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be getting more videos out there more often, so you guys can follow us and you guys can go ahead and make these same type of decisions that will help you in the future create more wealth. And it doesn't take much. I just want you guys to know it doesn't take much, but it just takes a little bit. But at the end, with time, you can make that little bit turn into a lot. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.